Hi, good day. So in this video, you're going to learn how to find function values using the definitions of the trigonometric functions. So ang given natin dito is an expression. We're going to evaluate this expression without using a scientific calculator. Okay? So again, kakailanganin natin itong table na to. We have letter A, sine quantity tangent to the negative 1, 3 halves. Okay. Now, this is an inverse function. We're going to determine sine of this inverse tangent of 3 halves. Okay. Now, check muna natin yung 3 halves. 3 halves, nadun pa siya sa domain? Yes. Kasi negative infinity to positive infinity yung ating domain. Now, since this is positive, uh, meaning yung ating pong angle is located dun sa ating first quadrant. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, we have a positive value of angle. That is the angle between 0 to 90 degrees or 0 to pi over 2. Now, so, anong una natin gagawin? So, ilagay muna natin to, let tangent theta, let theta, theta equal to tangent to the negative 1, 3 halves. Okay? Bago natin may evaluate yan. Okay? Now, or this can be written as tangent theta equal to 3 halves. Then, sabi natin, nasa first quadrant siya kasi positive yung 3 halves. So, kung nasa first quadrant siya, ganito siya. If this is your theta, this is x, this is y, 0. Ito yung ating 3. Ito yung 3. Ito yung ating 2. Okay? By Pythagorean theorem, we can determine the hypotenuse. So, that is the square of 3 plus the square of 2. So, square of 3 is 9. Square of 2 is 4. So, the square root of 13. Okay? Paki-check na lang yun. Okay? So, square root of 13 yon. So, therefore, our theta is what? What is the value of tangent to the negative 1? 3 halves. Okay? So, we can determine sine. We can determine sine of the quantity tangent to the negative 1, 3 halves because we let that this expression is equal to theta. So, therefore, we're just going to determine sine theta. Okay? So, this is from here. That is the same as sine theta. Tama? Okay. So, looking at this figure, sine theta is opposite side over hypotenuse. Okay. So, 3 over hypotenuse squared of 13. Okay. Remember, ito ay theta na. Ano? Ito ay theta. Okay. Yan. And then, we rationalize the denominator by multiplying the numerator and denominator by square root of 13. So, therefore, sine theta is equal to 3 square root of 13 over 13. Okay. So, yun ang sagot natin sa letter A. So, ganun lang kadali. Now, for letter B, gagawin natin, determine muna natin yon. This is inverse of cosine. Negative 5 over 13. Negative 5 over 13 is within the domain. So, sa makatuwid, ang angle natin is between 0 to pi. Okay? 0 to pi, so that is 0 to 180 degrees. Since negative to, sa makatuwid, ito ay nasa second quadrant. Okay? So, nasa second quadrant yung theta natin. So, gawa tayo dito. We let muna, let's say angle A. We let A natin is cosine to the negative 1, negative 5 over 13. Yan. So, kukunin na lang natin tangent A. So, sa ating triangle, ito yung A natin. Ito. Okay. So, negative 5 is adjacent side, negative 5 ito. Ito yung 13. Kukunin na lang natin ay ito. May Pythagorean theorem, that is 13 squared. Okay. 13 squared minus negative 5 squared. Okay? 144. Square root of that is 12. So, 12 ito. Okay? Diretso ko na ha. So, pakicheck na lang gamit yung inyong scientific calculator. Now, so kailangan natin is tangent A. Okay? Tangent of this. So, kunin na natin. So, tangent A is tangent of this. Tangent A is opposite side over hypotenuse. So, sagot ay 12 over negative 5. Nasagot natin. Okay? Teka, para mas clear. So, ang kukunin natin ay tangent cosine to the negative 1, negative 5 over 13. At we let this equal to A. So, we determine tangent A. Tangent A ay opposite side of this triangle over hypotenuse. So, 12, over adjacent side. So, 12 over negative 5. So, yun, nasagot natin. Okay. So, yun yung aking example in evaluating an expression without using a scientific calculator na kung saan yung expression involves inverse trigonometric functions. Thank you.